Have you ever wondered why some people stay slim around their waist while others struggle with stubborn belly fat? Visceral fat hides deep inside the body, wrapping around your internal organs. Most people think losing it requires extreme dieting or intense workouts, but the real secret may lie in daily habits and mindset. In Japan, people stop eating when they feel about 80% full. This trains the brain to recognize satisfaction before discomfort. Distracted eating in front of screens makes us ignore our body's signals. Daily walking and natural movement help reduce visceral fat. Chronic stress increases cortisol, which encourages belly fat storage. Relaxation practices help the body feel safe and store less fat. Balanced meals reduce binge behavior and emotional guilt. If you find this perspective helpful, consider subscribing to the channel for more insights. Losing visceral fat fast begins with awareness, not punishment.